Here are 10 helpful daily insights that can quietly, profoundly change your life. It starts the moment you wake up. Instead of asking, "What can I get today?" try asking, "What can I give?" This simple shift in perspective changes everything. You move from a world of scarcity to one of abundance, seeing opportunities to contribute everywhere you look. It's about leading with generosity. This brings us to the law of value. Your true worth isn't just about what you charge. It's about the value you provide. Strive to give more than people expect. Deliver exceptional service, offer unexpected kindness, and share your knowledge freely. When you consistently over-deliver on value, you build trust and loyalty that money simply can't buy. People don't just remember what they paid for. They remember how you made them feel. Next is the law of compensation. Your income, your success, and your fulfillment are a direct reflection of how many lives you touch. The more people you serve, the more your own life expands in every way imaginable. Don't focus on the reward, focus on the reach. How many people can you help today? The more you scale your service, the more the universe will reward you in return. And how do you reach more people? Through the law of influence. True influence isn't about power or control. It's earned by genuinely caring for others and putting their interests first. When people feel seen, heard, and valued by you, they will naturally trust your guidance. Your influence grows not from being important, but from making others feel important. This is only possible through the law of authenticity. In a world full of trends and personas, the most valuable thing you can offer is your true self. Don't try to be a copy of someone else. Your unique experiences, your perspective, your quirks, that's your superpower. People connect with what's real, not what's perfect. Bring all of you into every room you enter. Now this is crucial, the law of receptivity. To be an effective giver, you must also be a gracious receiver. Giving and receiving are two sides of the same coin. Blocking the flow of receiving, whether it's a compliment, a gift, or a helping hand, is like damming a river. It stops the flow for everyone. Stay open. Allowing others to give to you is a gift in itself. This isn't about abandoning your goals. It's about redirecting your drive. You can be ambitious. Absolutely. Just aim your ambition at helping others succeed. When your success is tied to the success of those you serve, your ambition becomes a powerful force for good. This is the go-giver mindset. Ambition plus service creates unstoppable momentum. Remember, it's often the smallest gestures that have the biggest impact. The quick text of encouragement, remembering someone's name, taking an extra minute to listen. These small human touches are what build lasting connections. People might forget what you said, but they will never forget the effort and the care you showed them. This leads to a healthier view of success. It's not a zero-sum game where someone has to lose for you to win. Look for the third option, the win-win. How can everyone involved come out ahead? When you focus on creating mutually beneficial outcomes, you replace competition with collaboration and build bridges instead of walls. Finally, the law that underpins them all. Character is your ultimate advantage. Your skills might get you in the door, but it's your character, your integrity, your honesty, your reliability that keeps you in the room. In the long run, who you are is far more important than what you can do. Your character is the foundation upon which a truly successful and fulfilling life is built. Thanks for watching. Follow for more insights that can change your life.